The AFP says a hero's welcome will be accorded to 133 Filipino peacekeepers when their 21-day mandatory quarantine period ends this coming Wednesday, December 3. The peacekeepers from Ebola-hit Liberia has been isolated at Caballo Island since November 13. AFP Public Affairs Chief Harold Cabunok declined to give more details as the plans are still being ironed out. He also declined to comment on the health status of the peacekeepers. Christine Santos reports.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines was now prohibited to comment on the peacekeepers' condition in Caballo Island during their 21-day quarantine period. The Health Department is the only agency allowed to provide updates on the soldiers' health status.
I received the instruction from the Chief of Staff. So, hindi ko batid kung paanong mga usapan nila sa higher level. No? Sino yung direkta niya na nakakausap. Pero yun yung instructions. Department of Health. So, respeto natin yung usapan na yon. So, kung ano man yung mga kailangan na update sa tungkol sa ating mga peacekeepers na nag-quarantine ngayon ay sa Department of Health.
A peacekeeper was brought to AFP V. Luna Medical Center Monday night after suffering from chest pain following a basketball game. Meanwhile, 4 Filipino peacekeepers arrived in the country over the weekend from Liberia. They are also under quarantine for 21 days, but they will do so not in Caballo Island but in V. Luna Medical Center's infectious ward. Cabunok said these 4 soldiers passed the UN military doctor screening in Liberia. He also explained why the quarantine process would not take place at Caballo Island.
Ang masabi ko lang, nasa infectious ward sila ng V. Luna, AFP Medical Center. Infectious ward. So, infectious ward, sila lang doon. Walang ibang nakakapasok doon.
How big is the room?
Hindi ko masagot yung...
Also, the AFP is preparing for a hero's welcome for the first batch of quarantined peacekeepers. Aside from this, they will be awarded a United Nations Service Medal. Next week, the peacekeepers are expected to be reunited with their families. They can also enjoy their vacation in the coming Christmas and New Year.